March 2010, the Iraqi government announces the National Housing Program, a residential construction project that would create over 1 million new homes. Iraq's National Investment Commission designates Bismayah, located 10 kilometers southeast of Baghdad, as the first city development project. As Iraq's biggest city development project ever in its history, the Bismayah New City project sprawls across an area of 1,830 hectares, with plans to accommodate up to 600,000 occupants within 100,000 residential units. In addition, infra-networks such as roads, electricity, water, and waste management, along with a cohesive social groundwork of public facilities for commerce, education, and welfare, will make this project a perfect execution of modern urban construction. Hanwha Group, a global corporation with 52 subsidiaries and over 90 overseas networks, is a pioneer with regards to project preparation and dedication, with countless experience in overseas construction projects to prove it. With the official contract signed in May of 2012, Iraq and Hanwha hold a groundbreaking ceremony to signify a new beginning. "14 construction-related factories, with the construction PC plant as its keystone, reveal themselves." This is Hanwha's core investment facility, which will lead the Bismayah New City project to success. Going beyond the completion of the PC plant, a new chapter and a new beginning take place here. On 300 hectares of land close to Bismayah New City's main site are located the base camp and the massive plant complex. The 3 plants in the center are the main core facilities, consisting of the sandwich wall plant, which makes exterior walls, the battery wall plant, responsible for interior walls, and the hollow core slab plant, which manufactures concrete slabs. All of these main plants utilize the precast concrete construction method. The precast concrete method is where a building's columns, walls, floors, and roofs are cast in factories and then transported to the construction site and assembled there. It's a construction technique that ensures mass fabrication of high-quality construction materials with short turnaround times and is perfect in large-scale residential projects. The PC plant complex, built under Hanwha's grand investments, boasts the world's largest production capabilities, and the main PC plant takes up an area of 65.7 hectares, also the world's largest. Of the 3 core PC plants that produce the core building materials for the project, the sandwich wall plant manufactures walls for building exteriors. A sandwich wall is made by assembling 2 concrete slabs together and injecting styrofoam insulation in between them. It blocks outside heat during the summer and retains heat well during the winter, making it an optimal construction choice for efficient energy savings. The styrofoam insulation used inside the sandwich wall is manufactured by the insulation plant next door. The second core PC plant, the battery wall plant, is responsible for producing the walls that will separate residences and divide hallways, along with stairwells and foundational stones. The AAC, or autoclaved aerated concrete plant, manufactures high-strength concrete blocks with superior fire resistance for use as interior walls. The third core PC plant is the hollow core slab plant. It consists of 4 production lines and manufactures concrete slabs for floors and roofs. Unlike regular slabs, the 6 hollow cores within these slabs is a new means to decrease the overall weight of the slabs while preserving its strength. The MMS is a foundry that makes a variety of sub-materials, and the MEP shop, in charge of machinery, electronics, and plumbing, is all located within the PC plant complex. The plant complex houses many other important manufacturing plants besides the PC plant. One of the most noteworthy is the PHC pile plant, which produces pre-stressed high-strength concrete piles for building site foundation work. PHC pile has compressive strength that is 1.6 times higher than RC piles and can stabilize any building on top of it longer with more security while decreasing construction times. It's being used for the first time as a construction material for Bismayah New City, much less the entire Middle East. The other subplants that make up the plant complex are PVC plant, manufacturing electrical and plumbing pipes as well as windows. Mortar plant, manufacturing mortar used in joining walls to floors or as inorganic bonding and finishing agents. The asphalt plant, manufacturing long-lasting, durable asphalt. The concrete block plant, which makes sidewalk tiles and curbstones. The batching plant, which mixes batches of concrete, and the crushing plant, which produces aggregate materials along with other facilities totaling 14 plants. All manufacturing is controlled by a computer control system, guaranteeing safety and security. Lastly, the 20-megawatt HFO power plant is able to provide power to all the plants as well as base camp in the event of a power failure, which further ensures that no external factor can impede on the self-sustaining and independent capabilities of the project, demonstrating Hanwha Group's core investment prowess. With the completion of the PC plant and other subplants invested heavily by Hanwha Group, and with the manufacture of construction materials, site development for the new city and construction of residential units is underway at this very moment. An underground utility conduit spanning over 20 kilometers, called the Concrete Gallery Network, will encase communications and electricity lines within concrete walls. Looking around the Bismayah New City residential development plans, each building site is inspected thoroughly before 265 foundational piles are driven in for each apartment building. As the exterior walls, floors, and roofs are assembled together, the final addition of interior walls separate each building to house 12 residences on each floor, totaling 120 homes within each apartment building. 12 buildings are grouped together to form one block. For example, Block A1, and several blocks together form a town. For example, A-Town. 1,440 residential units are slated for completion in early 2015 within Block A1, with additional 20,000 units being available every year thereafter, totaling 100,000 residential units completed within 5 years. Residential units are available in sizes of 100, 120, and 140 square meters, and come in two main types: the traditional type, which preserves Islamic values in everyday life, and the modern type, which boasts efficient use of large communal spaces. The PC plant, built as a result of Hanwha's grand-scale investments, along with the other manufacturing plants and materials, will continue to serve Iraq during its post-war construction era. Construction materials produced here in mass quantities with the help of advanced technologies are of unmatched quality, as well as being extremely cost-efficient. Also, the plant complex will play its part in advancing Iraqi construction technology, as well as the residential living culture of the region. Expert engineers from Korea spanning various fields have been dispatched to Iraq, working with the nation's professional modern methodologies around the clock, so the Iraqi construction industry will be promoted to a higher level. We will make the Bismayah New City the best new city in the entire world. For the new future of Iraq, Hanwha as a reliable partner, going further together.